Chemcom Group is one of the leading chemical and raw material distributors. The company, based in Central Europe, follows global industry standards and is present in almost 24 countries in Europe, Middle East, Africa, and America. We hold a strong presence in industries like lubricants, coatings, construction, food, pharmaceutical, cleaning, and personal care.
Besides those industries, we can offer products for packaging, polymers, oil and gas, and animal nutrition products. Our sourcing and logistics are second to none. We source from all around the world and use logistic services of global industry leaders to bring the products to our customers' doorsteps. All they have to do is make the order, and we will deliver.
In an ever-developing world, we follow the direction of a green world, using green energy whenever we can, separating our waste and use sustainable materials. We take care of our planet's future by planting trees, helping children in development, and supporting sports. All this makes Chemcom Group one of the leaders of the industry. Chemcom Group, fast, reliable, friendly.